Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you this quickie hairstyle. It's really quick and easy to maintain. So I suggest to you, if you want something simple, you can use this, but it's not stay longer. It's like 3 days, 4 days, a week. I think no, if you don't want your hair break, but it's better use like 2 days or 3 days. It can be better for you. So guys, if your first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. Guys, you can see it's really simple, quick and so nice. And the same thing, you look beautiful. And once again, welcome to my channel. I hope you're going to enjoy it. If you want to find something different, it's better to watch the video up to end so that you can find something quick and simple. So it is called slicker. Guys, you can style this hair slick ponytail. So this is so really simple and easy. So this is so nice and beautiful. If you want like this one, it's really so easy. It's really easy and quick, and at the same time, it can look good for you on anyone. You can use this style to look good. So guys, same thing. You can use this anywhere, anyhow. You can use it to look good. You can see it's really so beautiful. It's really so nice and quick. The important, if you don't have time to sit in salon, it's better to, you can use this, but it's not always to use this because it can affect your hair. If you raise always you put on your hair girls, something like that, it can affect your hair. So sometimes you can use this style if you're on quick, you're going somewhere, you can use this and you can look good the same thing. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And once again, if your first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. Enjoy the video. Happy end.